the art of the mastering definite articles in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our new lesson. Today, we're going to dive into the world of English grammar, focusing on a seemingly simple yet crucial topic, using definite articles. We're specifically discussing the use of the only definite article in the English language. But as simple as it might seem, using the appropriately can sometimes be a tricky task. So, let's get started. The is called a definite article because it points to a specific item or items. We use the when we believe the listener or reader knows exactly what we're referring to. For instance, if I say, "Please close the door," I assume you know which door I'm talking about. In some cases, we use the even when referring to something for the first time. That's typically when it's clear there's only one of something. For example, I saw the moon last night. There's only one moon, so we use the. Now, remember, the can be used with singular, plural, and uncountable nouns. Writing sentences with the involves more than just knowing the definition. You need to understand when to use it. So let's break it down. Subsection 2.1. The with geographical areas. Use the when talking about rivers, oceans, seas, and geographic areas. For example, the Amazon River is in South America. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Subsection 2.2. The with structures or institutions. We use the when referring to famous buildings, works of art, hotels, theaters, museums, or institutions. For instance, the Empire State Building is an iconic landmark. The Louvre is a world-renowned museum. Subsection 2.3. The with superlatives and ordinals. We also use the with superlatives, e.g., the best, the biggest, and ordinal numbers, e.g., the first, the second. Like, she is the best student in our class. The first step is always the hardest. There are more rules and exceptions to using the, but for now, let's focus on these fundamental principles. And there you have it. You've taken your first steps towards mastering the use of the definite article, the, in English. Remember, learning is a gradual process. So take your time, practice, and don't worry if you make mistakes along the way. They're just part of the journey. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video, where we'll delve even deeper into the art of using articles in English. Until then, happy learning!